affected youths.
Jingialang 5th International Conference Jongkam Klea Model United Nations Sdang haka arpulai terik mubnai nailar ha Northeastern Hill University Shillong batkan beteng hadu ka arsan terik ubnai nailar ya kini Jingialang kabalai sngi en penlong ha kini trelang jongkan nehu batkat Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sorkar Miklaya la Krishan ru da ka Sorkar Miklaya lembaga CM Special Grant ke yang dorba thoan ke Jala Miklaya batkan Miklaya AIDS Control Society.
What are the issues which you would like your modern organizations to deliberate on? What are the changes, like I said before, that you would like to bring about? And how would you bring about those changes? There's a saying that when you build castles in decay, be sure to put some foundations there. Because it is those foundations which will help you to build on those dreams, those aspirations, and then as very significantly stated, the restoration that will come, but we're trying to reach those dreams and aspirations.